Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are a YouTuber or a content creator and you're looking to monetize your channel, one of the key milestones is that you need to hit 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Today I'm going to show you the best strategy to get that done real quick. And that's live streaming. Let's dive in. Before we jump into live streaming, let's talk about why watch time is so important. YouTube requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. I don't know if they still have like the 10,000 viewers in order for you to apply for monetization. So after that, you're gonna apply for the monetization part and your channel gonna go through and review by the YouTube team. We're gonna see if you're using like copyright content, if you're going against the community guidelines, like if you're posting something that you shouldn't. So the more watch time you accumulate, the closer you get to getting paid by ads on your videos. But growing that watch time sometimes can feel like a slow grind if you're relying only on posting videos. And that's where the live streaming comes in. Live streaming is a game changer when it comes to boosting the watch hours. Why? Let me break down that for you. First, live streaming tend to be longer than your regular videos, which means people will spend more time watching your video, so your live stream. I'll give you an example. If you are streaming only for 1 hour and only one person is watching the whole time, in the end of the stream you're gonna earn 1 hour of the watch time. But if the same stream, so the 1 hour stream, is gonna watch like 10 persons, then in the end you're gonna earn 10 hours of the watch time. Make sure you are doing what you love and what people also love to watch, because live streaming can get boring. So make sure you have good content on there. After live stream ends, your video is still published on the YouTube account and people can still go click that and watch it. So make sure you have good content so people will continue to watch your videos. Don't forget, that will add even more to the watch hours. Now I'll let you know why live streaming is powerful. Here are some tips to maximize its impact and grow that watch hours even faster. Also promote your live streams, like if you're using Instagram or Snapchat or Facebook or whatever, where you have the most people that follows you. Every time share your live stream there, make a story or something. Use the community tab also on YouTube and find other ways too. And after your live stream ends, you can use that stream to make like long videos, like around 5 to 10 minutes, or depends on the content, or maybe even shorts, so you can reuse that live stream and earn even more watch hours. And if you can live stream, here are some other tips that you can use to maximize the watch hours. First is to make longer videos. Maybe you can make some compilations, or I don't know, try to do like 10 to 8 or even more longer videos. And don't forget to optimize your titles, thumbnails and descriptions. So here you have it. Live streaming is one of the best ways to earn those watch hours fast, especially when it's combined with longer videos and playlists. Remember to engage with your audience, live stream regularly, and you'll be hitting that 4,000 watch hours in no time. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe if you didn't yet, give this video a like, comment if this method worked for you, and comment what you wanna see in the next content of mine. I'd love to hear from you, so leave a comment. Until next time, keep creating content. You started YouTube for a reason, so I'll see you in the next video.